In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite not detecting your microphone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whenever Fortnite's not detecting your microphone. So what you want to do is whatever you're playing on, go to the top right where it has your profile icon, click on this mic right here. You want to make sure voice method is on open mic and not push to talk or mute. Now what you want to do is press open voice settings like so. It's going to bring you to the third tab in settings, which is communication. Now for your voice chat input device, you might see a lot of things here. You want to switch it to whatever headset or microphone you want it to be. That's what it should be on. Now, if you're also playing on PC, what you want to do further is go over to your audio settings. So right click on the volume and then go to sound settings. And then what you want to do is go to input and make sure it's also your microphone that you're using or your headset mic, whatever it may be. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Then it should definitely detect your microphone. And it's as simple as that. Also, make sure voice chat is on everybody. And then, yeah, there won't be any issues. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.